Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit and Equities. Now, Akash Prakash Amansa Holdings Private Limited has bought 155 lakhs 24,185 shares of a relatively cheap, fundamentally sound stock during the last quarter. Now, this stock is much cheaper when compared to its sector peers and should be kept on our radar going forward. Now friends, we have recently started offering channel memberships, as you know. Please click on the blue join button to become channel members, which will entitle you to member-only privileges on Profit and Equities. Also, if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please click on the red subscribe button below. This will help you get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please watch this video to know more about this stock. Now the company in question is ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company, which is available at Rs 369.10 and the face value for it is 10. Akash Prakash Amansa Holdings has a stake of 1.08% as per the March 2019 shareholding pattern. The symbol for it is ICICI PRULI. Now ICICI Prudential Life Insurance Company is a life insurance company which is a joint venture between ICICI Bank Limited and Prudential Corporation Holdings. The company provides life insurance, pensions and health insurance to individuals and groups. It conducts business in participating, non-participating and unit-linked lines of businesses. Now, as is evident from the one-year chart, this company had a consistent fall till about 3/4 into the year, but since then it's trying to recover. It also may be on the way to forming a strong technical chart pattern, but the confirmation is a good while away. The market cap of the company is 52,994.81 crores, which means that this company is a large cap one. The EPS of 8.5 translates into a price to earnings ratio of 43.42, which is much more cheaper when compared with the industry PE of 50.51. The price to book ratio of 7.72 is optically expensive, but when you view it with respect to its peers, it still is on the cheaper side. The company is debt free and has a debt to equity of 0. The return on equity is also a very strong number and stands at 0.2437. Promoter holding is also a very good number and stands at 74.98%. And additionally, none of the promoters' holding is blessed. The dividend yield also is a good number and stands at 2.11%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. Please go ahead and do your own research. This and all other content that you see on our channel is intended to be a piece of news. Thanks for watching, and if you have not already subscribed to our channel, please consider doing so.